Welcome! This video will guide you through the O-ring seal installation procedures of the Viking Hygienic Series pumps. This series includes the following pump models. As always, consult the applicable technical service manual for important safety information and a complete listing of suggested tools before you begin. A copy of the latest revision can be found on our website at vikingpump.com. It's critical to know what liquid the pump has been handling and the precautions necessary to safely handle the liquid. The elastomer kit part number can be found on a hang tag on the pump. If the tag has been removed, contact your local authorized Viking pump distributor to obtain the O-ring kit number. The elastomer kit includes all of the O-rings needed for the seal, as well as the head, idler pin, and rotor retainer O-rings needed to reassemble the pump. This video shows the seal installation procedures for the rotary and stationary members of single and double O-ring seals. For disassembly and reassembly procedures for the complete pump, see the technical service manual and our Hygienic Series wet end disassembly cleaning and reassembly video. It is recommended that new O-rings be used for reassembly of the pump. All O-rings should be lightly lubricated with a food-grade lubricant that is suitable for the application before installing. Install the two seal housing O-rings into the seal housing. The O-rings need to be installed on the side of the seal housing that does not contain the anti-rotation cutout. Single O-ring seals can be easily converted to double O-ring seals and vice versa. The rotary member that is installed on the back of the rotor is the same for both single and double O-ring seals. The seal housing is also the same. The only difference is that the single O-ring seal uses 2 seal housing O-rings, while the double O-ring seal uses 4 seal housing O-rings. Once the seal housing O-rings have been installed, insert the seal housing into the casing. Make sure that the anti-rotation cutout of the seal housing lines up with the anti-rotation washer on the backside of the casing. Pumps with double O-ring seals require barrier fluid. Operating a pump with a double O-ring seal without barrier fluid will damage the seal and pump parts. Follow the barrier fluid recommendations listed in the technical service manual. For single seals, plug the barrier fluid connections with pipe plugs. The port with the casing groove needs to be used as the suction port for the pump's primary rotation. Use the casing studs to install the casing on the bracket. Use 2 nuts to hold the casing in place during assembly. It is important the casing is secured during assembly to avoid damage to the pump internals. Install the O-ring onto the back of the rotary seal insert. Install the rotary seal insert onto the backside of the rotor. Make sure that the lugs on the backside of the rotary seal insert line up with the anti-rotation holes in the rotor. Install the rotor onto the shaft by lining up the splines on both components. Take care to ensure that the rotary seal insert does not slip out of position from the back of the rotor. The O-ring seal for your Hygienic Series pump is fully installed. Follow the assembly procedures in the technical service manual and our Hygienic Series wet end disassembly, cleaning, and reassembly video to reassemble the rest of the pump. If you still have any questions regarding this or other Viking pump products, please contact your local authorized Viking pump distributor or visit us on the web at vikingpump.com. Thank you for watching.